Hey everybody, Travis with Blue Nail Roofing here doing another roof replacement. I wanted to talk to you today about synthetic underlayment. Now you're probably familiar with felt or tar paper. That's that black paper that goes under the shingles. You've seen it 1,000 times. Well, it's really not that great, all right? That stuff can only withstand being exposed directly to the elements, sunlight, rain, wind, for about 3 days before it starts to disintegrate and lose all of its water resistant capabilities. Now synthetic underlayments come in a variety of weights and strengths and provide just substantially more protection. They're not even in the same ballpark as that old tar paper. Tar paper is basically your kid's construction paper with a little bit of tar painted on it. Not exactly high-end stuff, right? So here, I'm going to show you what we're putting on today. This is a Tiger Claw 30-pound synthetic underlayment you see him putting there at the eaves. Now that can withstand direct exposure to sunlight, wind, snow, rain for 180 days before it even begins to lose its waterproofing capabilities. This is a very cost-effective, substantial way to improve the protection and durability of your roof. It is the last thing that stands between water that gets under the shingles and your decking, the wood. You do not want to cut corners on that, and for a nominal price increase you can get exponentially more protection. So this is something we highly recommend to all homeowners, and we encourage you to check it out. There's a lot of synthetic underlayments on the market, or give us a call and we can always recommend what would be right for your home. So check us out at bluenailroofing.com for a roof replacement or a free inspection today. Tune in next time for another homeowner tip.